welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can stop phone contact from finding you on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. In order to let your phone contacts not find you on Snapchat, first you need to unlink your contact from your Snapchat. How you guys can do that is first close your Snapchat and go on your phone setting. And from inside your phone setting, you want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called Snapchat. Once you click on Snapchat, your contacts at the top should be on. Make sure it's off. Once it's off, Snapchat won't be able to access your contact. That's step one. Now once you do that, what you want to do is close your setting and open Snapchat again. Now from inside Snapchat, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Once you click on your profile picture, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you're inside the settings of Snapchat, scroll all the way down until you see this option called Contacts. It should be under Additional Services. Click on Contacts, and over here make sure where it says Share Contacts with Snapchat is turned off. But if you turn off your contact on setting, this should automatically be off. But in some case, if it is not, just make sure it's turned off. Once it's off, at the bottom you can see this option called Remove Synced Contact from Snapchat. Click on this and click on Confirm. Once you do that, all of your synced contacts on Snapchat will be removed. Once you do that, just close your Snapchat and reopen it again, and all the settings should be applied, and basically now people will not be able to find you from your contacts. So that's how you guys can stop phone contact from finding you on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.